Today let us have the class on chapter similarity. What are similar figures? What are similar triangles? What are the criteria whether the triangles are similar or not? All these things you are going to learn in today's class. First of all, let us know what are similar figures. Two figures are said to be similar if they are of the same shape. They are not necessarily of the same size. So two figures, similar figures means not only two or more figures having same shape are said to be similar figures. If two or more figures are having same shape and also same size, they are said to be congruent figures. If they are of same shape, they are said to be similar figures. All lines, squares, equilateral triangles, circles, all are similar figures. Okay. Then what are similar triangles? Two triangles are said to be similar triangles if they are of the same shape. That means similar triangles, not only triangles, whatever may be the figure, if they are of the same shape, they are said to be similar figures. Same way, two triangles are said to be similar triangles if they are of the same shape. That means, let me explain you in one example. Triangle ABC, this is triangle DEF. If angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, we can say that these two are similar triangles because they are of the same shape. If two triangles are similar, their sides are proportional to each other. Here, triangle ABC, this is the sign for similar. Similar to triangle DEF. So if I gave you these two triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle E. And angle C is equal to angle F. And also, the corresponding sides are proportional to each other. AB by DE is equal to BC by EF, that is equal to AC by DF. So whenever two triangles are similar, their sides are proportional to each other. That means corresponding sides are proportional to each other and their angles are equal. And this ratio is known as scale factor or representative fraction. The ratio of the corresponding sides of similar triangles are known as representative fraction or scale factor. Okay. Then how to know that two triangles are similar? There are some criteria. To know that whether two given triangles are similar or not. Let us have them. The criterion is singular, criterions or criteria plural. They are otherwise known as postulates or axioms. All are same. Postulates for similarity, axioms or criteria All are same. Okay. Criteria for similar triangles. There are three criteria. One is AA criterion. That means if in two triangles, two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of other triangle, then we can say that the two triangles are similar. Suppose this is triangle PQR, this is triangle XYZ. In triangle PQR and triangle XYZ, angle Q is equal to angle Y, or we can write angle PQR equal to angle XYZ, angle R equal to angle Z. Only two angles of one triangle are equal to two angles of other triangle, it is given to us. Under AA criterion, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ under AA criterion. And you know that once two triangles are similar, the corresponding sides are proportional to each other. Okay. Next, second one, SAS criterion. What is SAS criterion? Side angle side. Okay. Let me name this as DEF. This is XYZ. In these two triangles, in triangle DEF and the triangle XYZ, if it is given DE by XY is equal to EF by YZ and angle E is equal to angle Y. Suppose it is given to you like this. In two triangles DEF and XYZ, DE by XY is equal to EF by YZ and angle E is equal to angle Y. Then under SAS, under SAS criterion, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Okay, we may not be knowing whether DE by XY is equal to DF by XZ or not. If this DE by XY is equal to EF by YZ and these two angles are equal, automatically DF by XZ is also equal to DE by XY, and also angle F will be equal to angle Z, angle D will be equal to angle X. Because under this SAS criterion, these two triangles are similar. Once they are similar, you know that remaining angles are equal and remaining corresponding sides are proportional to each other. So one criterion is AA criterion, other one is SAS criterion, and your third criterion is SSS criterion. What is this SSS criterion? Your third criterion is SSS criterion, or axiom also we can say, or postulate. Triangle ABC, triangle XYZ. In triangle ABC and the triangle XYZ, AB by XY is equal to BC by YZ is equal to AC by XZ. What is given to you is, in these two triangles, the three sides of this triangle and three sides of this triangles are proportional to each other given. AB by XY equal to BC by YZ equal to AC by XZ given. Once the sides are proportional to each other, these two triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar. Then we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. And once they are similar, their angles are equal. Very important thing I want to give you here, one thing, let me explain you. Suppose this is a triangle. This is triangle ABC. This is triangle PQR. Suppose in this triangle angle ABC is equal to angle PRQ. Angle ACB is equal to angle PQR. Okay. This one, 3 criteria over. Just one important thing. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle ABC is equal to angle PRQ and angle ACB is equal to angle PQR. That means, so remaining these two angles will be equal. This one will be equal to this one, no problem. But you say ACB equal to angle PQR. So here we have to say that instead of no doubt we say for this triangle we can say triangle ABC or triangle ACB or triangle BAC. Whatever it may be, this triangle we can say. But in case of similar triangles, exactly if we have to speak, we have to say that triangle ACB is similar to triangle PQR. That means A is to corresponding to P, C is corresponding to R, and B is to corresponding to A is to P, C is to Q, and B is to R. So instead of writing triangle ABC PQR, we have to write triangle ACB is similar to triangle PQR, because here angle C is equal to angle Q, angle B is equal to angle R. Okay, in general way we speak ABC PQR. Okay, but exactly this is the way we have to write if this is the case. So I hope this is clear to you. What are similar triangles? What are the criteria for similar triangles? Okay, and what is scale factor? The ratio of the corresponding sides is the scale factor here. In this case, AB by XY is equal to BC by YZ is equal to AC by XZ is the scale factor. It is otherwise known as representative fraction. Okay, please go through the lesson, you will understand well. Thank you.